What is Azure Storage? Azure Storage is Microsoft's cloud-based service that provides secure and scalable storage for modern applications and enterprise workloads. It enables developers and businesses to store data in the cloud without managing physical servers, disks, or storage infrastructure. The service is part of the Microsoft Azure ecosystem and is designed to handle everything from small app files to massive datasets used in analytics, AI, IoT, media streaming, and backup systems. At its core, Azure Storage works over the Internet using HTTP or HTTPS, making it globally accessible. Applications can upload, download, query, or process data from anywhere, which is ideal for distributed systems and cloud-native apps. Since Microsoft fully manages the service, users do not worry about hardware failures, data replication, patching, or backups. Azure guarantees extremely high durability, 11 nines, by storing multiple copies of data across disks and data centers based on the selected redundancy model. Azure Storage supports both unstructured data, like images, videos, documents, logs, and structured data, NoSQL key-value records. It also supports messaging storage for communication between services. This makes it flexible for different types of workloads. The service is organized under a storage account, which acts as a unique namespace and top-level container. Inside the account, different storage services like blobs, files, queues, and tables are created depending on the use case. Security is a strong pillar of Azure Storage. Data is encrypted at rest using 256-bit AES encryption by default. Access can be controlled using Azure AD roles, access keys, SAS tokens, or managed identity, eliminating the need to store passwords in code. It also supports network security features like firewalls, private endpoints, and virtual network (VNet) restrictions. Azure Storage is also cost-efficient due to its consumption-based billing model. Users pay only for the storage used, operations performed, and data transferred. It offers multiple access tiers like hot, cool, and archive to optimize cost based on how frequently data is accessed. This makes it a powerful, reliable, and economical choice for building scalable cloud applications, especially for developers working with ASP.NET Core, microservices, and cloud-integrated architectures. Generate IMG.